Do you do this for a living?
Yes. Okay. And how big is the container? I have to say that sounds like a scam. Pirates of all ages, here it is here. We are in the biggest gamble of our entire business today. And what reason for? It's not because just the fact that we spent $3,000 after expenses. It's the fact that we have no idea what we bought. Here it is here. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Uncle Michael just sent me a photo of my father. Shout out to my father. We got to go visit him this Sunday. Time has been busy, but I'm going to let you guys know right now. Please don't waste any time in life. My father has been very ill. I've been trying to spend time with him, but he has cancer now on top of his 4th degree stage cirrhosis. So we're going to be going up there this Sunday. Uncle Michael sent me a photo. Here it is here. We bought a unit that is 6 pages of inventory. It's labeled as a 10 by 30 in a warehouse. We are at a moving company we used to work for. About to pick it up and see what we got. I don't know. Is this a scam? Is this a good buy? Is this a total dumb move on our part? Anyway, let's go take a look, because here we are here. Let us not forget our snack. Let's see. Where's everybody at? 9 o'clock. Supposed to be here. Hello. This is different. Yes, hello. This is David DeHaas. I'm trying to reach storage here in California. I'm here at the warehouse. Nobody is here. If you could please. My morning has not been going well outside the... Anyway, no one's here at the warehouse. This is getting to be so weird. It's a moving company, sold as a closet box, but it's an Allied agent. I'm not liking the way this is shaping up so far.
So these 2 pieces are part of it.
These 2?
Yeah.
Oh wow, that is... What the hell?
And I haven't unlocked this, but this is his storage container. Right
Okay.
here.
Wow, this is... Never seen whatever that is. Is there more than that, or it's...
Well, that big overseas container is his, so
Okay.
I don't know.
Just one container?
Yeah.
Sorry, but I don't like spiders.
Oh, that's all right.
Okay, I'll get it.
I've been killing spiders as I go. Do you do this for a living?
Yes. Okay. And how big is the container? Okay, well, because it said it's a 10 by 30, so I just want to make sure before my friend brings a U-Haul. I think we're gonna need it. That should be good. I don't like that either. I already don't like this. It looks like a resealed box. Nope. Interesting. Do not like that box right off the bat. What kind of stuff we have here? Mags. Great. They collected mags. Beautiful. Trying to look at this, because see how that box has been resealed. The U-Haul. Curious why so many boxes have some weird holes on them. What is it? I don't freaking know. Is this the alleged jukebox? It don't look like a jukebox. They called this a jukebox. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Is this in here? Is there something actually in here? I'd like to see some good things. Okay. Good sign. Brand spanking Nubian. That is a Badland Winches. Okay. What could possibly be in such a big box? Oh my gosh. I do not like... I'm not really happy with what I'm seeing. It looks like a literal dump run, guys. I can't explain it, but something does not add up here. Ready? It's coming.
Grab the bottom and the bar on the side.
Oh, no. That's why we lifted it, because it wasn't taking the weight off. Maybe set the end down and adjust over. Hold on a second.
Push that up.
Yeah, like that. And I pushed the four-wheeler over there. Careful for your fingers. Hold on. I'm gonna lift and you're gonna pull the thing. And then you're gonna try to help me set it down somehow.
Ready?
Ready? Yeah. Oh. See what I mean? Paintballs, okay. What is all this?
Paintball.
I don't know. These look interesting. We'll get a little closer up look here in a minute.
I don't want to put no more.
How did I just pull a gold earring out of my pocket from yesterday?
That's what I've been trying. I've been trying 10 times yesterday.
Let me see. Let me get up here a little bit. Please be like the Taj Mahal of gold bars, guns. I don't care what it is. Be something. Jeans. Nice little $100 cabinet though.
Yeah, it sounds pretty nice. Hey.
Hey, baby.
Here, babe. Really? She's gonna let it drop?
Okay. The panties don't look too clean. That's a bad sign.
It's alright. Spend all our money on other things.
Oh. No, it's just look at those witch pants.
Which pants?
Witch
Want me to
pants.
open the last one?
I don't. All right, but now we've got into something that I think is going to help us here and at least retain our money. It looks pretty clean.
That's brand new. 2 hours on the machine.
Ooh, look at that. Disgusted. Make a disgusting face.
Like this.
A Titan 540i, Titan 540i, and this looks in pretty good shape too. Maybe we can get like 1,000 each on those or something close.
Realistically, they're gonna be 6-piece.
It's gonna, well, realistically in your world it's gonna be whatever you tell the universe it's gonna be. In my world I'm gonna get 1,000 each, so.
Dang, these are like 10,000 each.
There you go, I like it. Your step.
Barbecue, 5,000.
5,000 right here, guys. We got this $5,000 barbecue.
If your money's right, beautiful wife, 2.2.
Empty. Full.
You could probably keep it for
And freaking turn and burn. I'll tell you right now, I'm not very happy about this storage unit. We bought a 10 by 30 online. After I bought the unit, I get an email after I pay. The size is approximate, could be subject to change. It could be in a warehouse, could be in a vault, it could be in this and that. We show up, it's in a metal container that measures 8 by 20. And then there's a pallet. Now, even if you took that 2 foot wide by 8 foot piece and stretched it out in half, you might equal a 10 by 20, but we are nowhere near a 10 by 30. I have to say that sounds like a scam. You tell me below, comment below if you think this is yet another scam, because I am 99% sure I consider this a scam. You say it's a 10 by 30 and my calculations are 10 by 20. That ain't approximate.